Hello viewers, welcome back for our part 2. Karibu habari East Africa and my West African fellows. How you doing, my brother, my sister? I just say thank you for the support. Oh, it's your video pilot Frank Magna, Uganda's finest. So I'm here to continue with where we stopped from. This is our part 2. Remember how to remove pimples, dark spots on an image using these tools in Photoshop CS6. Remember, this is a part 2. So let's open our Photoshop. So I'll minimize that. I already have Photoshop open. So this is where we stopped. Okay, let me switch off. Let me switch on this layer. Switch off. So last time we had used the spot healing brush, which is here. The spot healing brush. Let me just do some simple corrections. Okay, so you go to spot healing. Now last time I was telling you use the proximity match. Now for final touches also you can use the content aware. Make sure that is checked, then we can rub away this. It's better I zoom in, Control plus, okay, to do those final changes. Those spots that are still there, rub them out. So here I'll reduce on the size of the brush to 10 pixels, then try to fix this part. Okay, so I'll go to my layers, then make sure the origin is off. Then I'll bring back my eraser. Sorry, before we do the eraser part, I would like to remove that background, this black background. To do that, just use this tool, the magic wand. It picks a color, it selects a color that you want to remove immediately. So click on that, then go to this tool, the quick selection. You press Alt. Yeah, then before you delete, you right click, then you say feather, give it a feather of 2 pixels, then you say okay, then you delete, then Ctrl D. Why do we feather? It doesn't make your edges sharp. So this part here I will use my eraser. So select my eraser, you can check out the settings. Make sure you reduce on the hardness to like 50. Then you do this. Yeah, remove this. Alright, so when I zoom out, Control minus, so we can see the difference. This is before, this is before, then this is after. So you can see there's a big change. Okay, so that was the spot healing brush. Let's continue. So this one I'm going to duplicate it, Control J, or just do this. So we have 2 copies. Switch off the original. We're still working on this. Then we shall go back to this part here. We shall choose now healing brush. In fact, name it healing. Healing. So we shall be using the healing brush. Now when you're using the healing brush, for it, we shall first reduce on the size. So you have to first look for a smooth place on an image, like somewhere here, smooth. So you press Alt and then you click there to copy that smooth place. So after copying, you now start shading. You can click, you can shed. So whenever you see that mistake, you can undo, Ctrl Z. Then you can click. Click nearby also. But that doesn't mean that you can always do that. You can now also choose another smooth place. Press Alt, copy, go to this place, click, zoom out, Control minus, Control plus. You can use the spacebar. Spacebar brings the hand tool. So again, you do that. Reduce on the size of the brush, also the hardness, make it at 50. Alright, so if I were to compare the two, so go back to my layers. This is the healing. If I were to compare healing and spot healing, so healing is on. Spot healing, that is the healing. This is the spot healing. Healing, spot healing. So you can see the healing brush is a bit better than the spot healing. Then I can show you before and after. This is before. This is after. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'm going for in part 3 we shall talk about the patch tool and talk more about what it can do. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. FM Motion.